So we're taking advantage of our staff workday and bringing together our guardians and our officers together to train along side by side with their shields. We're doing a lot of medical stuff on applying tourniquets and what have you. But right now in the afternoon, we're focusing on entry with shields and engaging with the potential target with civilians inside that classroom.
He's drawing the fire from the suspect, and you're coming here to eliminate him.
We have that outdoor training facility, which is absolutely wonderful. But here inside a school, you hear the echoes. You don't hear that over there. It's more realistic being inside a location that you know you could potentially respond to. So having the long hallways, having the doors on each side, left and right side, it's really another added layer of the training that we do.
Shots fired, shots fired.
So active shooter training, it's standard all the way across the board, not just with the guardians or the officers. Anybody that's going to respond to a situation at PSJA is going to have that same alert level 1 response, and everybody's trained the same way.
You are looking for a target like this. Once the light turns off, that means you hit your target.
I can have a guardian jump in with an officer. I can have DPS or Pharr or San Juan jump in with our officers, and we're all trained standard across the board with that alert class that we've all taken.
Each one of you guys is going to get a room. The first 3 guys, each one of you guys is going to get a room.
Our guardians at our elementary campuses, okay? It's a flip side role. Our officers are going to act as backup to them. So they need to engage initially, and then our officers are going to arrive, and we're going to, take down whatever threat is in front of us or react accordingly to whatever the situation is. So we need to ensure that our guardians train alongside our police officers just back and forth to know that they know what to do.
See, every scenario has its purpose.
We're going to continue to improve and take advantage of the extra days that we've got. We've already got the rest of the year planned out on what we're going to do. It's not always going to be active shooter. We're going to do verbal judo, de-escalation, hostage type negotiation things of what to say and what not to say. So we're looking at a whole bunch of different trainings to come